welcome to this channel. We're looking at this question. Find the integral of this function. And if you look at that function, you realize that what we have inside the square root is it's conform to this a squared plus what? S squared, where a is what? Is 5. So in that case now, the function we have here is what? Is x. So we can substitute for what? X equals to what? The a is what? Is 5. 5 what? 5 times theta. Okay? Don't forget, when you have this expression, a squared plus s squared, your substitution will be what? Will be x equal to what? A times theta. Okay, and that's what we have got in this case. Our a is 5. Okay, then the next thing to do, can you differentiate this function? Then you have 5 what? 5 sec squared theta the theta. Okay, then let's now begin to substitute into the given question. So we have 1 over my x squared, what? This one, square that will be 25 times what? Times square theta. Okay, then times square root, that will be what? 25 times square theta. Okay, then plus what? Plus 25. Then the x is what? 5 sec square theta. 25 is here, 25 is here. You can factorize that, and that will be what? Times square theta plus 1. Okay, and don't forget, tan square theta plus 1 or 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. And then square this one. If you square that, you're going to have what? 5 what? 5 sec theta. 1 plus tan square theta is what? Is sec square theta. And when you take the square root of sec square theta, you have what? Sec theta. So we now have integral of this fraction, 25 tan square theta times 5 sec theta, and then times what we have here. So 5 here and 5 here cancel. So we have sec is there. So we have 2 of these. So to remain 1 on the top, sec theta, all over 25 can come outside, 1 over 25, and then tan what? Tan square theta, the what? We can do the algebra and break this. Sec theta is 1 over cos theta. This one is what? Sin square theta over cos square theta. But because of this division, it will flip this one. So we have a cos square theta over what? Over sin square theta. If you do this, we're going to have this. We have to remain 1 here. We have a cos theta over what? Sin square theta. So we have 1 over 25. Put your integral there. Then what? The theta. So in that case now, I think we can use the u substitution. U is what? Sin theta. Okay. Then the u is equal to what? Cos theta. The what? The theta. And this expression will now become what? This will be equal to what? 1 over 25. Okay. Cos theta. The theta is what? The u. All over what? U squared. Okay. And this will be equal to u to the power minus 2. Okay. And if you integrate this with respect to the function, this will give us minus 1 over u. The power plus 1 over what? Over minus 1. So if you integrate this, u minus 2, the u, you have what? U minus 2 plus 1. Okay, well what? This is minus 1. And this will give us u minus 1 over minus 1, which is what? Minus 1 over what? Over u. So we now have 1 over 25 times 1 over u plus what? Plus c. Our u is what? Sin theta. So 1 over 25 minus 1 over what? Sin theta. Plus what? Plus c. So we need to return the question back to what? Original function, the x function. So what do we do? From here, make tan theta the subject, which is what? X over 5. And then find the other trig ratio. So we have this. Tan theta is what? Opposites over what? Over adjacent. So we have this place as what? As s squared plus what? Plus 25. Okay, use a particular theorem. We need sine. So sin theta is what? Sin theta is equal to opposite over what? Hypotenuse. That's this opposite over hypotenuse. So that's our sin theta. So we'll just come back here and substitute the sin theta. So our question will give us the answer, which is what? Which is this place. Okay, this minus can go outside. So we have minus 1 over 25 in your brackets. Then we have the sin theta is what? This is our sin theta, but you're having 1 over sin theta. So that means this fraction will be flipped upside down. Then we have what? Square root of what? S squared plus 25 over what? Over x. Okay, and then plus what? Plus c. And that's that on that question. Okay, the thing is that you should be able to spot your substitution very well, your trig substitutions, and then you're able to use do your little identity and algebra. Okay, so that's that on this question. Please, if you're new on this channel, kindly click on the watermarks of the video and subscribe. Begin to do it right now. Click on the like button and type your comments. And finally, share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Begin to do it right now.